Today we are making the somewhat well-known La Scala chopped salad. Let's go ahead and start with our dressing. So in a medium to small bowl, we're going to combine a 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, or you can use 1 teaspoon of dry mustard. And then we're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon each of kosher salt and pepper. And lastly, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of grated Pecorino Romano cheese, or you can use Parmesan cheese in its place. Then go ahead and whisk that all together. I do recommend making this at least a few hours in advance or even the night before, just because it gives you time for the garlic flavor to really blossom. Whenever you decide to make the dressing, go ahead and set that aside. And in a very large bowl, we're going to combine 1 head of shredded iceberg lettuce, 1 head of shredded romaine lettuce, 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, same thing, drained and rinsed, 4 ounces of thinly sliced Italian salami, and 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and toss all of that together. You're going to want to make sure to use the largest bowl you have. I honestly considered pulling out my turkey roaster just for the mixing. And then it's time to dress and serve your salad. I knew I wasn't going to be eating all of my salad in the next day or two, so I split my salad into 2 bowls, about 50-50, and added about half of my dressing. I would wait until the day you're going to eat the salad to dress it, and I would make sure to eat this salad within 1 or 2 days of making it, whether or not you dress it, because your lettuce is going to start to wilt. There's additional moisture from the salami and the garbanzo beans. So this is just one salad that is not going to last too long, but it's quite tasty, so I don't know how long it will last. I will leave all the ingredients in the instructions down below in the description for you guys. I did borrow this recipe from What Molly Made, so I'll leave the link to the original recipe down below as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you would try this salad recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you're looking for another yummy salad recipe, click here on screen and I'll see you guys there.